the next generation Espace for global markets to celebrate the 40-year anniversary of the iconic nameplate. The 6th Gen Espace incorporates an SUV design, replacing the older minivan body style. The SUV is based on the tried and tested CMF-CD architecture, which is also used on Nissan X-Trail and Mitsubishi Outlander, as well as smaller Renault Austral. It gets a sharp front end with C-shaped LED DRLs and a large chrome grille with a new Renault logo in the center. Around the side, the Espace gets dual-tone alloy wheels along with a sharp character line beneath the window line. At the rear, the Espace gets C-shaped LED tail lights which find their way into the Renault logo placed at the center of the tailgate. On the inside, the Renault Espace gets a modern dashboard with multiple layers of wood and gloss black elements. At the center of the dashboard lies a vertically positioned 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Other features include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, head-up display, wireless phone charger, and advanced driver assistance systems. Renault offers the Espace with both 5- and 7-seater options. The 2024 Renault Espace is initially available with a single powertrain option. The self-charging hybrid system comprises a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine, an electric motor, a high-voltage starter generator, and 2 kWh lithium-ion battery. Just like in the top-spec Austral, the E-Tech hybrid produces a combined 197 horsepower and 205 Nm of torque, sending power exclusively to the front wheels through an automatic gearbox. Thus, the E-Space accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 8.8 seconds and has a top speed of 175 km/h.